try for it, Desi?
Let's see who gets it first.
Go get it, Desi. You ready? He gave up. He wouldn't have it. Oh no!
He will cry too until he gets it.
Oh, that was covered in pug fur.
Oh.
Come on, boys. Who's gonna get it?
You ready,
Who's
Desi?
gonna get it?
You gotta get it, Desi. You're quicker.
Dozer's gonna muscle you.
Here we go, Des.
Who got it?
Desi.
Did he really?
He doesn't know what to do. Bring it back, Desi.
Oh my goodness, you got it? You feel like a big
boy.
man now?
He's like, that's okay. I'll get one of your stuffed animals.
Is that your happy spin?
Not the doxy.
Are you proud of yourself, Desi? He's got the ball,
Bring it
Dozer.
back, Desi.
He's got the ball.
Look at it. He's gone.
Oh my God, that's a photo moment.
He's not showing up on the video. It's just like a black spot.
Yeah. He's hard to photograph.
He's stuffy like a ninja.
Yeah.
Ninja pug.
Bring it here, goofball. Give me that.
I got your bone, Dozer. You want this bone? Wow. He's got some chomper bone. Boop. You want to play too? Okay. He doesn't know what he's doing. He just spins.
He just stares at him like, what the hell?
I got this stuffed animal. I'm cool.